All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in for yet another video. Today is going to be a banger. This video today is going to be a banger. Got a lot of energy today, guys. We're going to be talking about how to make $500 a day drop shipping. I got a great presentation for you full of a ton of value. Just do me one favor though, guys, watch all the way to the end of this video because I'll give you a reason. It raises up the average retention of this video, pushes it to more people, grows this community, blah, blah, blah. Just do me a favor, watch to the end of this video. So one quick little plug, if you guys want to crush it with the influencer marketing, we talk a ton about influencer marketing on the channel. So I decided to make a whole list of over 2,000 influencers for you guys to crush it with influencer marketing for a super killer deal. Just go ahead and hit the link in the description down below. It will also be the pinned comment, guys. A lot of people have already picked that up, so don't miss out on that super great deal, the early bird special right now. I'm very excited about it, guys, for a lot of you to get that value, just absolutely insane value. A lot of people said it is way too cheap, the price that I'm giving it out at. So it is what it is though. I just wanted to give you a lot of value. Now, let's cut the BS. I have a lot of energy, guys, obviously, so it should be a great video. I'm gonna get to the point of this video now. So let's dive into my laptop right here. You guys can see how to make $500 a day drop shipping. Like I said, that influencer list is in the description. Okay, so now what are we covering in today's video? What your mindset should be in order to do this, first of all, how to scale past this point, and why so many people fail to do this in the first place, what to do after you reach that $500 a day goal. So what to focus on. By the way, guys, drop a like down below on the video, please. It pushes to more people. So anyways, what to focus on, work on getting what you can control up to par. So the things that you can control in your store, you need to work that up, up to par with, for example, like store design, your email list, having things like that up to par, ready to go. Come on, guys, get it there. That's what you need to focus on. Common sense, obviously. Study other stores heavily. In the Discord down below, if you guys want to hit that as well, you guys can join the Discord. We talk about other stores all day long in there as well. We give examples in that Discord on what to study and what not to do, what to do and what to not do on stores by studying other stores. Okay, this is what to focus on. So learn from my other videos, of course, on the channel. You guys should be subscribed. If you're not subscribed down below, hit the subscribe button, of course. Building a sustainable business, that's what you need to focus on. This is not some get rich quick scheme BS like that, guys. This is a sustainable business, a long-term business that you guys need to focus on. Have the right mindset. I've got tons of videos up in the cards exactly on that, the mindset. And of course, what else not? Let's see, the influencer list is now available. The link in the description for the 500th time in this video. Plug in that again. You guys need to grab that. I have a lot of energy. I already said that again today, guys. I'm just excited to be making this video. I'm excited to be here with you guys. So bear with me. I'm going back and forth. I'm having a symphony of words today. Anyways, where to start? So excuse me, working with influencers is obviously a super starter for your store. That's why I talk about it all the time. That's why you guys can grab that list down below. It's a super starter for your store for the following reasons. Number one, what it does is it leverages that influencer's audience, that opinion that the influencer has garnered from their audience, like their sway. So see what I'm saying? I talked about this in the last video. You can have 5 influencers that all have 300K, and influencer A and B could have way more push in their audience than those other ones that have the same amount of followers, guys. That's why it's so important to work with these influencers, find the right ones and whatnot. And of course, that's why I made that list for you guys. I'm gonna stop plugging it because it's probably super annoying. Obviously, it's a super starter for your store for a multitude of different reasons, guys. You're leveraging that, that influencer's audience. Say, hey, if I have a dog influencer that breeds dogs, right? And I have a dog case, send that case to that influencer. I guarantee that's a warm audience that they're showing their audience. You see what I'm saying? They're interested in dogs. You already know that. And instead of starting from ground zero and doing Facebook ads where you're so cold, you have to warm up the pixel and whatnot, and you're gonna spend, if you have $500 to spend, guys, I guarantee you're going to have more results with the influencers than just spending that money on Facebook ads right off the get-go. You may get some sales with Facebook marketing, Facebook ads, but the influencer is just, you're showing it to the whole audience of that influencer right off the get-go. You're getting all your results in one day, and you can, boom, get some profit from there and move on. So it's a no-brainer, obviously. I don't want to spend too much more time on this slide because I've already rambled a ton. I apologize for that, guys. I got a lot of thoughts coming to my head to get to you guys, a lot of value. So start smaller, then work towards bigger influencers, okay? Now, of course, this is all to do with your budget, but I do recommend start smaller and then work towards the bigger ones. You don't want to have $2,000 to spend that's all you've got, right? And then spend it on one influencer. And then if he doesn't go so hot because you didn't research it right, what are you going to do from there on? Work your way up to the bigger ones, okay? Facebook ads are going to be your next step after gaining confidence in the product as well. That's a huge step of it as well. When you get posts with influencers done, you have confidence that that product is going to sell, okay? So then when you go into Facebook ads, you guys can see how that works in your favor way more. You already know that this product is going to sell to the people that are interested in it. You just have to reach those people with your Facebook ads. Now, if you went straight off the bat with Facebook ads, you don't know that. You don't have that confidence in the product working with those influencers, okay? So I hope you guys are with me with that. Consistent growth with Facebook ads, of course, after that step, okay? So I hope I didn't miss anything. How to scale up with influencers is coming on the future slide. So now we got why many people fail, guys. Unfortunately, a lot of people fail because the following reasons, of course, among many other ones. People want instant gratification. They want a bunch of sales right now, and they don't want to put in the work. This is a long-term sustainable business, guys. You guys can make money in the first week, first couple of days, of course. But think in terms, like I said earlier on the slides, that this is a long-term business, a sustainable business. You have to treat it as such. So build steadily. Too much too quick can result in burnout for obvious reasons. Poor fulfillment, logistics, why I mentioned that on slide number 1. That's another reason why many people fail. And then also spending time and energy in the wrong areas of your store. Too much time on design is common as well. Just smaller things like things that you don't really, it's not the whole meat and potatoes of the store. You're working on kind of the little jello dessert at the end, you know what I mean, or on the side. You guys need to focus on the meat and potatoes. Get that furnace well. What is the saying? I don't even know the saying. Whatever it is, you guys can get my point though. Get that furnace burning heavily before you work on the other things. And I see that's a huge mistake of a lot of beginners, is that they haven't even made a sale yet and they're trying to design it, spend 50 hours, 100 hours, 200 hours on design, right? And they haven't even made a store yet. That's obviously an extreme example. You guys get my point there. Turning extra profit. So number 1, this is kind of a cool little design I put in here to get you guys' attention. How can you stand out? Okay, it's all pointing at one thing, obviously. Upsells, see the candy rack video. I'll probably put that in the cards as well. If not, just hit the channel list. You guys will see that. When you guys are looking to turn extra profit, it's an upsell app. Do something really well or unique this is more of the starting parts of your store, whatnot. Always have an email pop-up list, pop up and then grow your email list. Of course, that's common sense. Yet, some beginners don't do that, right? So that's, why we're making this presentation. Grab the influencer list. One more plug. Seriously, guys, you've heard it enough. Now it's in your head and you can't get out. It would be that itch you can't get out, right? You guys got to grab the influencer list. Over 2,000 influencers. Let's see. Long-term mindset, obviously, to build a sustainable business. Focus on customer experience, right? That's a huge one. Honestly, not enough people really focus on the customer experience. That's going to be how, you're going to have that long-term business. That should be your long-term mindset. And then, of course, big mistake that a lot of people don't do after you get to this certain point of, get a virtual assistant to do your emails after you're doing 10 sales a day. Of course, you guys could wait to whatever you feel right. But, focusing on the bigger things of your business, like I said, the meat and potatoes, how I poorly executed this example, metaphor, or whatever. But, focus on the meat and potatoes of your business. And then the things that are on the side that are not as important, that aren't make or break. Not really, furnacing or getting that furnace well going, whatever. I'm gonna stop saying that because I can't even get the metaphor out. But other things that you don't need to be doing like that, put it off to a virtual assistant when you guys are doing bigger numbers. That's only going to help you, okay? So we're almost done here, guys. Thank you for bearing with me. 10 minutes in, I've probably rambled for at least a couple minutes of them, but I do apologize for that. I'm just trying to get a lot of value to you guys and a lot of energy, okay? Email and SMS marketing is going to be your best friend, of course. Following steps, guys, after consistently hitting 500 a day. Now, listen, we did talk about a lot of different things in this presentation already, guys. I'm giving you kind of the mindset and what you guys need to be doing in order to do this, okay? I've got a lot of other videos on my channel talking about, other sides of things, getting more sales, how to negotiate with influencers, for example, different things like that. So I encourage you to check out the channel as well, of course. Focus on steadily scaling up after you're hitting that $500 a day mark. I basically wanted to outline things that you need to be focusing on in order to hit that 500 a day mark, right, guys? Obviously, it's not as simple as this, and I'm trying to give you as much value as I possibly can, but I'm trying to put it in a light that you guys can actually follow, okay, and have the mindset of really doing this. It all comes down to your work ethic, the energy that you put in, of course, but also you guys need the help. You guys need to get the help of, really learning from somebody that's been through the ringer with everything, especially from the position that you guys are at right now. A lot of you guys, these are the things that you need to be thinking about. So then, continuing on, focusing on steadily scaling up. Scaling too hard can result in many problems, especially if you are inexperienced. That's obviously obvious, guys. So that is it for the presentation. We're capping this video off at about 12 minutes. I'm reading right now. So I appreciate you so much for watching to the end of this video, guys. We do have the secret question of the video. So if you skip to the end, man, you might be in luck. But if you did skip to the end here to get the secret question, watch the whole video. Don't be a dummy. So the question of the day, guys, is going to be, who is your favorite rapper right now or musician? What do you guys want to do? And the deal with that, guys, is that the last video we had a question of the day, or secret question of the video. You guys had to answer that question on today's upload. So today's question is, who's your favorite rapper or musician? Answer that on the next upload, okay? You guys get that, of course. I'm going to wrap this video up, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. I'm having a great time making these videos, guys. I hope you guys are having a great time enjoying the content, the value, and watching these videos. Subscribe down below and make sure you grab that influencer list, guys. Seriously, it should be in your head enough by now. Grab that influencer list. Has over 2,000 influencers on there. Grab it right now. Grab it. I'll see you in the next one. Grab that list.